In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Metabase. By the end, you'll have a clean, well-labeled dashboard saved in the right place so your team can find and use it confidently. First, open your web browser and search for Metabase. In the results, select the official Metabase website. Once you're there, head straight to the Login option. Sign in to your Metabase workspace so you can create and save content. If you use multiple workspaces or environments, make sure you're logging into the correct one to keep things organized and avoid mixing test and production content. After you're signed in, look at the top navigation bar. In the upper right, click the plus icon labeled New and choose Dashboard. This is the starting point for building a hub of charts, tables, and key metrics. Even if you haven't built the questions or charts yet, creating the dashboard first gives you a place to organize everything you'll add later. You'll be prompted to give your dashboard a name and a description. Choose a name that's specific and easy to recognize. For example, include the team or domain and the main metric or topic, so people instantly know what they're opening. Use the description to clarify the dashboard's purpose, who it's for, and what decisions it helps with. You can also note the primary data source or the time range it typically covers. Clear names and descriptions make search results meaningful and reduce confusion across your organization. Next, choose a collection to save the dashboard in. Think of collections as folders that control organization and access. Pick the collection where your intended audience works, such as a team or department folder or a shared analytics area. If your organization uses nested collections, choose the most specific one that matches the dashboard scope. This helps with permissions, keeps your workspace tidy, and makes it easier for people to find the right dashboards without digging around. Once you've selected the collection, click Create. Metabase will open your new dashboard, ready for you to populate with charts and tables later. At this point, you've successfully created and filed your dashboard. A quick review. We searched for Metabase, logged in, selected New in Dashboard, named it clearly, added a helpful description, picked the right collection, and clicked Create. That's it for this setup. With this foundation in place, you're ready to add content and share insights confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.